Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a good old-fashioned luxury haul for you. I have some brand new beauty, fragrance, makeup, I have some home stuff, I have a new bag, and I have a very exciting gift from my Tiffany salesperson. And while I was there, I just went ahead and got some new jewelry. If you follow me on my Instagram, you might have already seen this. I did a unboxing reel. But let's start off with Dior Beauty because I have some brand new Dior Beauty promo codes to share with you. This video is not sponsored by Dior, but they very generously offered to send me some of their new holiday stuff to try out for you. This video should go up the week of Thanksgiving, so if you use the code THANKS23, with your order of $125 or more, you will receive a complimentary gift with purchase. Dior always offers free samples at checkout, and if your order is over $100, you can choose a deluxe travel size sample. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, including the brand new Dior promo codes. Dior also offers an interactive holiday experience. You can personalize your gifts, and they have an interactive Dior gift finder quiz, so you can find the perfect gift for the holidays. I ordered the new Dior holiday face palette. It already comes gift wrapped in their very pretty holiday packaging in the white and gold metallic box. It's called the Dior Écrin Couture Iconic Makeup Colors for Face, Eyes, and Lips. I get this every year because it's such a great travel palette. This year it is in a very pretty navy and gold, and I like that the palette opens up completely flat with a mirror. I get this every single year because it is the perfect all-in-one travel palette. You have one large highlighter shade, you have the 5 eyeshadows in the middle, and then 2 blushes. I'm wearing the entire palette on my face today. I have the highlighter on my cheeks and my eyes. I'm wearing the eyeshadows on my eyes. I have the white on the inner corner, and then I have like the brown smudging out my liner. And then I mixed the 2 blushes on my cheeks, and then I have these 2 lipstick colors on. It has a protective plastic cover, and then these 2 brushes, and then it comes with an additional brush here. The bottom of the box also has a sticker to show you the different colors. If you don't want the whole face palette, they also sell just the eyeshadow palette, which I also like. I've gotten the mini eyeshadow holiday palette before, and it's perfect because, again, it's the same kind of a layout as the face palette, but, and I'm not going to do it with here, but I've done it before, I've done other videos, you can remove this entire insert and you can use this as a clutch. And with the eyeshadow palette, it's the perfect card case, like wallet size. I've shown videos where I show exactly how many cards it fits. You can use it as a wallet, as a little change purse. It's just the perfect little Dior card case wallet, but for only $72, I believe. But I love the holiday face palette. I love how versatile all the colors are. I pretty much can just bring this palette when I travel for the holidays. I don't have to really bring any other makeup. I can do a very quick look with all the makeup that's in here, and then I just kind of top my lips with the Dior lip oil. And then I have another promo code for you. I might have shared this already, but if you purchase the Rouge Dior Minaudier, that's the gold lipstick chain clutch set, which I own, I use, I love it. If you use the code COFFRET23, you would also receive a complimentary gift, and that code is valid from now until December 31st. There will also be new Dior beauty promos active on Black Friday and Cyber Week, so make sure, again, you follow me on my Instagram at Heated Mess. Whenever there is a new promo or freebie or sale, I will post there to my Instagram stories first, and then I will post here on YouTube to my YouTube community post. But again, everything will be linked in the description below. An upcoming beauty promo will be this beautiful Dior holiday notebook. This will be a complimentary gift with any purchase of $175, and then a step up. If you spend $200, you'll receive this and a complimentary Dior pouch. Dior also just released a new Baby Dior collection. I just had to get it. I ordered the new Baby Dior Bon Etoile Scented Water. This is basically their fragrance, and it comes in this very cute matching little baby pouch. Look at the little animals. You have the giraffe. It is just so cute. You can choose the scented water in 2 different colors, but I believe the notes are the same. I think the actual fragrance is the same depending on whichever color you choose. I chose pink, and you have the little Dior silver star charm. And then it also comes in green, but it is so cute. There is the CD logo on the cap there. And I'll just spray this on my arm. Do you see how fine that mist is? It is so nice because sometimes these perfumes, it's like you're being sprayed with a hose, but this is a really fine mist. It smells so nice. The notes are described as tender, fruity notes of pear, wild rose, and white musk. And then if you can see the actual kind of juice of the fragrance, it's a little milky, although the glass is frosted, but you can see that it's kind of like a milky clear color. And if you don't want to splurge on the Baby Dior scented water fragrance, they offer a few different ancillaries, including the cleansing foam. They have a cleansing water and a hydrating milk, which is more of a moisturizer. Part of the reason I splurged on the Baby Dior fragrance, other than I just love fragrances and I just love trying out different fragrances, is that this put me over the top in the My Dior exclusive loyalty program, so that I finally, once again, reached platinum this year. And so I got their new gift, which arrived with the fragrance, and it was this Dior brush case. I love that their brush case, I think, has been a Dior platinum gift for a few years now. This is really nice because it is a travel case. It says Dior right there in silver. The top part zips open like so, and you have 4 brushes, including, I guess, you have a powder brush, foundation, eyeshadow, and then maybe a liner. I also got a Dior lip liner brush. The bottom has the Dior star, and then the bottom compartment is just where you can keep the rest of your makeup. I love these travel brushes, travel cases, travel bags, especially when it comes in different compartments, because you can keep the brushes separate and it doesn't get dirty, or it doesn't dirty the rest of your makeup in the bottom. This is such a nice platinum gift. They've offered Dior brush sets in the past for their platinum gift, but it wasn't in a reusable travel bag like this. So very nice little treat for reaching their platinum status. And then I got the Dior retractable lip brush because I knew the face palette has the lipsticks. But I like this because here is the brush. Unlike other lip brushes where the cap kind of can fall off, this one is retractable on its own. So you just open it up like that. The lip brush pops out and then you just close it up and it doesn't get anything dirty. I just love that. And this I plan on gifting to a family member for the holidays from Dior. This is the limited edition J'adore Eau de Parfum fragrance set, and it's also already gift wrapped in their very pretty holiday packaging. This set comes with a 1.7 ounce J'adore Eau de Parfum fragrance, and then you also get a 2.5 ounce of the J'adore Sublime Beautifying Body Milk. I love how even the inside packaging has the same holiday theme. J'adore is such a beautiful fragrance. It's a very classic floral. It has notes of ylang ylang, Damascus rose essence, and jasmine. And I love that it is already gift wrapped. And then from Rose Forever New York, I just received this crystal jewelry box. I chose the color black because I love the contrast with the yellow gold, but I love the crystal box because it has a bottom tray to store jewelry. If you look in the back, I have a smaller one. It's sitting on top of my other jewelry box, but it's about half the size. It's just kind of filling up with jewelry, so I need some new space desperately. So I'm so excited that I now have the larger size to put more of my jewelry in here. But I love their crystal box. It doesn't take up a lot of visual space because it's clear. You can choose different colors for the roses. Again, I have it in blue in the smaller size, and then I have it in black, but there's a lot of different colors to choose from and different shapes if you don't like this. If you just want a typical bouquet of roses, they have different containers. If you use my code HEATEDMESS40, you will save $40 off your first bouquet of roses. And then from Dress Up Your Purse, she makes all of my favorite organizers, handles, straps, chains, all the different accessories that I use on all my bags. She came out with a brand new adjustable Chanel-esque handle for the Chanel holiday bag. That is the signature black leather and kind of like an antique-y brass bronzy gold. And then the very cute adjustable little quilted globe ball to adjust the chain. So here's a chain on the Chanel holiday bag from a few years ago. I have a tutorial that I did from last year, which I'll link below. I should do a new tutorial for the new bags, but it's the same thing. But here's the new chain. So it's a little thinner than before, but I just love that it has that adjustable little ball. That is so cute. So you can make it longer if you want, and then the excess just kind of dangles down like so. This is such a practical, adjustable little chain so that you don't have to use a clip or do whatever other hack that some people do. Or sometimes people just tie it. They just literally tie the excess into a knot, but this way you have adjustable strap. So very nice adjustable chain from Dress Up Your Purse. You can use my code HEATEDMESS to save 15% off anything from her store. She also sent me this to share with you guys, but this is her newest Boston bag. How cute. It's not the nano size, but it definitely is like, I would say like the Speedy 20. It's not as big as a Speedy 25, but it's like the Speedy 20, and I have it in the Tiffany blue. So this has the natural leather, very similar to the LV Natural Vachetta leather. So that is the organizer inside. And then it comes with an adjustable shoulder strap in the same Tiffany blue color in the fabric and the same natural leather color and silver. And then if you don't want the fabric strap, you also get the leather strap. So it's a skinnier, belted, adjustable leather strap. Very cute. Even the lining of this is that very nice suede lining. Then you have a zip pocket on one side. This is such a cute color. If you're a fan of Tiffany, I have the matching, I think it's Nike, released 2 different versions of their sneakers in the same Tiffany blue. It's such a nice color. I love Tiffany. This is the side. It's very nicely reinforced with that leather. This is real leather, and this will also oxidize similar to the LV Vachetta leather. You can wear it as a top handle hand carry bag. You can wear it as a shoulder bag with the strap, or you can wear it as a crossbody. And if you don't like this color, she also has a ton of other colors if you're interested. And you can use my code HEATEDMESS to save 15% off anything in her store. And then from Valentino, I already own this and I've shared this with you so many times, but it's sold out and I just saw it was restocked, so I figured I would show it again in this video. But the Valentino Trio Rossi lipstick pouch is back in stock. This retails for only $50. And for $50, you get this Valentino wallet. It's basically a card case wallet. You have the Valentino logo zipper pull. For me, the lipsticks are a bonus. I've swatched these, check out my videos. But I love this set for the actual just Valentino pouch. It's such a great quality. I have last year's version. I've used it all year long. I traveled literally all over the world and I used it and it looks brand new. And then this year they offer the same pouch in this very cool pink color, but is very spacious inside. These are the lipsticks. And inside it just fits a ton of cards, cash, coins, whatever you want in here. And the price is lower than last year. Like, who lowers the price of things? I only see the prices going up. This retailed for $60 last year and now it's $50. So I don't know how they did it, but it's back in stock. So definitely get this before it sells out again. Before I get to my Tiffany Company jewelry and gift unboxing for you, I have to share one more thing because I really surprised myself. I shopped the Skims Swarovski collab and I did not just buy one thing. I bought 3 things. Yeah, I just really surprised myself. When I saw the teaser pics for it, I thought it was nice, but I just was like, you know, I don't really need it. But then when it launched, I was surprised at how much I thought, okay, I can see myself wearing it. I don't know what it was, FOMO, whatever. So I ended up buying a few things and I think I made the right choice. So everything, by the way, sold out so fast. I don't know if it will come back in stock. If it does, I'll link it below. But the first item was from their lounge collection. So they came out with a few different collections. Swarovski had other stuff on their site, like the body jewelry. I didn't get any of that. This is just the cotton rib tank. I didn't get the matching boxers or undies because I figured this I would get more use out of. So I got this in the size small and you can see the crystals are kind of just bedazzled all over. It's a crop tank and I think it's very cute. This also came, I think, in pink and white and those sold out right away. So I was surprised to get this. I really like the neckline. I'm a fan of Skims. I have a lot of their stuff. I have a lot of the cozy collection, a lot of the shapewear, and I figured, you know, why not? And then from the actual jelly sheer collection, I did get 2 more things. I have never tried any of the jelly sheer, so I wasn't sure what size to get, but I just figured I would just go with my true to size. And I got the black tank bodysuit. This is the Jelly Sheer Intimates square neck thong bodysuit. So this is really just like a tank top style square neck tank top. In the front, you can see the bedazzling is kind of focused more on the top and then it kind of peters out towards the bottom. It's a thong on the bottom. And then that is the back. I got the size small and the size small fits. It is a little bit see-through. So the sheer, jelly sheer, it's kind of like 2 layers. You have the Swarovski bedazzled part on the front and then another sheer layer on the back. So if I don't wear a bra with this, I might just have to wear some pasties. Yeah, I really like this. I think the jelly sheer collection is very comfortable. It's very stretchy. It is pretty breathable and I'm glad that I picked this up. Now I got the black because everything in the nude or whatever color, like the more nudie, fleshy color, sold out instantly. And then they also had a cocoa, darker brown color. I got the bodysuit because I figured I would always, you know, It's easy to layer. I could wear that with a lot of things. And then I got one more thing. As much as I liked the tank top bodysuits, I really wanted long sleeves. And unfortunately, the long sleeve bodysuit top sold out. Like, it was sold out right away. Actually, it sold out from my cart. I had it in black in my car and then it sold out. So I ended up getting the full size cat suit. So this is it. I know it's giving very much like ice dancer, figure skater, but it actually is very nice on. It's not super constricting. I got the size small. These are the long sleeves, and then it has a zip on the back. And I tried it on and it fits. I will say, I wish the zipper went all the way down, at least to the lower back. This really only comes maybe like mid back or like slightly above mid back. I felt like I was going to rip it when I was trying to fit it over my bottom. Very resilient material. How am I gonna style this? You know, who knows? It's very fitted. I could wear jeans over this if I just wanted the full body look. But again, you know, it's a full cat suit. So it'll take some time if I need to go to the bathroom. But I'm glad I got this. And if the long sleeve bodysuit were available, I would have gotten that. But I don't mind that I spent a little more to get the catsuit version of this. So we'll see, but I like the collection overall. I kind of wish I got more of the lounge collection because I just feel like that's a lot more wearable and I like what I picked up. But let me know what you guys think of the Swarovski Skims collection. And then finally from Tiffany, I will show you the gift first. Again, if you follow me on my Instagram, you would have already seen this. But here is the very pretty box. And this was in celebration of Mid-Autumn Festival. It also came with the card. And this was actually in October and I just was traveling so I couldn't go to the store until recently. But there's the card. It says, "Reunite by moonlight. This Mid-Autumn Festival, celebrate your greatest connections." Look how pretty the box is. And inside you have 4 mini boxes. There you have the T&Co. And inside you have a mooncake, and the mooncake is individually wrapped in plastic. This is not the one I opened. I'm going to show you the one I opened first because I took a bite out of it already. There it is. Okay, there is the mooncake and then the ingredients and everything are on the back. That is the T&Co design. And then inside you have the bean paste filling. If you're Asian, the greatest compliment you can give or receive for dessert is not too sweet, which is exactly how this tasted. It was very good, not too sweet, and it was delicious. And I need to finish eating the other 4 before they go bad. But isn't that just such a pretty box? If you look up on TikTok, a lot of these luxury brands offer these mooncake gift boxes for Mid-Autumn Festival. A lot of them are like for the VVIP, which I am not. They can be very elaborate. Tiffany & Company actually, I think they did like 2 different versions. This is like the lower tier gift version, which is fine. I still appreciate it. I'm just letting you guys know. But if you're interested in other versions, I think this year Tiffany & Company's like VV, VIP, VIC mooncake box had a Connect 4 game like built into it. And then the mooncakes also, maybe it had like more mooncakes or something. So it's always interesting to see what they come out with every year. But I'm very grateful that I received this and it tastes delicious. And finally, for the jewelry unboxing, I did go into store just to pick up the mooncake box, but while I was there, I figured let me try out something that I have been looking at for a while. Here is the box. You have the sterling silver dust bag and it's empty because I'm already wearing it, and it's the Elsa Peretti snake ring. I shared a poll on my Instagram because I tried this version and then they have another snake ring where I call it spicy snake because it's kind of like wrapped around and around, and it was a lot busier than this. But I really like this version because it reminded me a lot of my Bulgari Serpenti ring, and I just love this style. I have the matching bracelet. They also make a similar bracelet version of the Elsa Peretti snake ring. I just didn't like it as much. I really like this. I like that this one doesn't gap as much as the Elsa Peretti one, but I just love this little snake ring to match my other Bulgari snake ring. All right, guys, my haul was kind of all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed watching this luxury beauty, fragrance, clothes, and jewelry haul. Let me know if you picked up anything from Dior Holiday this year, or if you picked up anything from the Skims Swarovski collab. That one really caught me by surprise. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.